14 hours tayo bumiyaya from Tuguegarao to Batangas and then another 12 hours from Batangas to Sibuyat para lang makapag-hike tayo. So, ulitin na naman natin pauwi tayo, diba? So, ganyan yung dedication nyo para ma-hike ang Mount Giting-Giting. And you were rewarded naman. Nabigyan tayo ng magandang weather na nakatapos lahat ng pag-summit lahat at nakababa lahat ng safe and injury-free, which is for me, yun yung pinaka-importante sa lahat. So, guys, I wanna thank you all for trusting Travel with Shell with probably one of the most difficult hikes ever in your life. And na-survive natin yun ng buo. Syempre, for sure, marami tayong natutunan na lessons. Hindi lang tungkol sa bumubundok, kundi tungkol sa sarili natin. So, gusto ko rin kayong pasalamatan for being cooperative and being very good sports. Diba? Sobrang stressful ang mamundok. So, hindi ko kayo sisihin kung minsan mainit ang ulo nyo. Definitely ako, mainit yung ulo ko. But you were also patient and kind to each other. And talagang tinulungan and minotivate natin yung isa't isa para matapos yun. And with that, guys, I commend you all. And dahil ba, deserve natin itong certificate of completion. Okay, basahin ko lang yung text. Certificate of completion is proudly presented to May for successfully reaching the summit of Mount Giting-Giting with 2,058 meters above sea level via Olango Trail exit to Tampayan on May 16 to 18, 2025. Given this 18th day of May 2025 at Mount Giting-Giting National Park, Protected Area Management Office. Barangay Tampayan, Magdiwang, Sibuyan Island, Report. Signed, Joy Bert Mijares, Park Superintendent of Sibuyan Substation. So this certificate is awarded to Via Joy Danao. Congrats! Ayun. So i-award muna natin yung top 4 na na finishers natin.
Wow!
Next is Irene Tangan. Ayun. And then next one is si Nasaan na yun next? Na finisher natin. Doc Russell. Sarap.
Oy! Magugulat ako dyan. Favoritism yan.
Wala. Asa na yung top 4 natin? Zeke Daniel.
Yay! Congrats,
Daniel.
Zeke.
Congrats, Zeke.
Yes, sir.
And then next is nasaan na? Mary Grace Tugade. Congrats, Ate. Good job, okay. Next is William Mordanao.
Idol!
Idol! Lara Angela Calao. Congrats, Lara. Gilbert Rosales.
Yeah!
Congrats, sir.
Kumpletong ligo.
John Michael Tomaso.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Pangalan siya Angeli Mariano. Congrats pa. Carl Vincent Martinez. Russell Tolentino. And then Joshua Angelo Circulo. Congrats po, sir. Ayun guys. Certificate.
Thank you. Picture. Pakuha tayo.
Papa Susits.
Wala na